Tell me why is it I always start these vlogs off in a car. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. As you can see, I'm in Lexington, Kentucky. Of course, this is a vlog, and of course, you know if I'm doing vlogs, you already know, automatically should know that I am having a photo shoot today. So, I actually got 2 photo shoots today. So we're gonna see how they're going to turn out today. The first one's here in a little bit of a few minutes here. Of course, I am out here working. Been up since about 5:30 a.m. today, actually. Put a little bit of editing work in, man, try to catch myself up. And then went out and did a little bit of work. Then I started work a little bit, and now I'm actually in the middle of going to take somebody's CVS order to them, whatever the case may be, drop that off. I'm gonna drop it off, and then I'm gonna head down to the shoot location, which is pretty good because it's all in the same location, which is downtown Lexington. So today, yeah, we got this one model that's coming on through, start at 10 a.m. We're just gonna do a little here and there. We may go live, I don't know, depends on how I am. But then I actually got one right after that at 12. I scheduled these back to back, so I can go ahead and just go ahead and put that work in real quick, back to back. So therefore I can go ahead and get back to work and do what I need to do. And that is our iconic tower right there. Zoom in for you. If y'all watch Kentucky game, that is our biggest skyscraper in Lexington, is the big blue building. I really don't like it, to be honest. I think it's freaking ugly, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm at my location here, guys. I'm sitting here just now waiting for the model, as you can see. Now, if you watched my last video, or depending on when I post this one, you will know that I dropped my 8600 on my last shoot, man. I dropped it, crapped it up, and now I'm gonna show y'all exactly the damage of it. It really wasn't that bad. So, let me pull it out. As you can see, when it dropped, it absolutely fell on the back part of this right here on the battery. Of course, it's got a little scrust right there, as you can see. And then the top of that thing popped off. And it was kind of split a little bit right here, but I was able to push that together. Everything was fine. But yeah, everything still kind of works. It worked right after the shoot. So, you know, hey man. Those things are built like a tank, man. That's why you gotta have them. Things are built like a tank. Let me find my phone first, because I gotta make sure. So, but yeah, but once again, I'm blaming that completely on, I'm blaming it on TOG, okay? This is getting blamed on TOG Life and T-Mid and all them. The reason why my daggone thing, because they've been getting on me because I've been using, of course, my wide angle reflector. I like harsh light. I've been liking it for a while, guys. I've been seeing a lot on my channel here. You believe it or not, guys, this is actually where my very first DAP challenge is at. So this nice little location I like going. We'll probably shoot down here. I got like by the columns. Now location had to change. We'll probably shoot down here because I like this. I shot here before. I like this because you know I got the trees right here. It's nice. It's just nice scenery right here. So this is one of my favorite locations to shoot at in Lexington, honestly. You got a variety of things. Like I said, I've shot here multiple times. I got a few videos on my channel at this location. So the model is now here. She just pulled up. I was doing some Amazon shopping.
Hello.
What's up? What's up?
How are you?
I'm all right.
What do I need to bring?
Stan.
What?
My name is Stan.
Oh, my name's Madison.
Madison? Yes. She is here. Here's where we're going to be shooting. Maddie or Madison?
Either one.
Either one. Let's mix it up. So I had to change locations simply because there was something going on when I went over there. Yeah, they got it all blocked off and shit. Maddie or Madison?
It depends. It really doesn't matter. Which one are you feeling? Maddie or Madison?
I got, well, thank you. Which one am I feeling?
Yeah, which one?
I don't know which one I'm feeling yet. Oh man, this thing is not one. I don't know what's going on with it, but I'm liking it. All right, let's try it again. Take the. Bam. All right. Yeah, I do it. Oh yeah, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Nice. One, 2, 3. Nice. Hang on, let's go back just a tad bit. Get a full. Oh man, we just now got done with our freaking shoot. Just now. There she is right there. Yes, we just got done with the shoot, man. Hey, did you enjoy yourself? See how she enjoyed herself.
Of course, I had so much fun.
I don't know, guys. She tried to.
I
front,
did.
She tried to,
No,
she
no,
tried
no.
to front my skills, boy.
No, he did
She tried to front my skills.
He did amazing.
She tried to front my skills, guys. Don't let her try to trick you now. But of course, once again, I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and explain to her what comes after the shoot and explain my process. And then after that, I'm gonna be going on to the next shoot location. Y'all be seeing me then. So that's it. Until you see me in the next one. You know, just came in some speed mode, what the case may be. It is now almost like 2:30 at this point in time. Yeah, I know I said I was going to do a shoot at 12, but the model came into some complications. So we had to push it back. And so that's what it is right now. We are now pushed back. I'm now sitting here waiting. All right, guys, guess what? We are now here. The model has now finally came to this. And now she is finally here. I know it's supposed to be at 12 o'clock, but it's Diana. Now, I have worked with Diana before. It's been a good grip. She disappeared on me. What's up with that? Let's tell the people why you disappeared.
I take my social media breaks and then I don't like talking.
Don't believe that shit for 1 second, guys. Do not believe what she just... Do not believe what the hell she just said. All right, but anyway, she is here. I've shot with her before. We are at this place called Gray Line Station. I'm gonna flip you around here. Gray Line Station. Now what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to sneak inside of it, do a little shooting. I don't know, I've been here once. I know it's kind of like an open market type place, but we're gonna try to sneak inside, do a couple of shots. She was actually being very bougie on me today as well. She said she only wanted to shoot
One outfit. It's hard to get on and off.
And also she only wanted to shoot where?
Oh, inside.
So you see what she had to do with it, and she got this nice outfit on, so we're gonna just kind of waste the outfit on some indoors. But we're gonna try to go inside and sneak in some photos real quick, and hopefully I can probably convince her to come outside in this nice sunlight because it is absolutely gorgeous out here.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna try to sneak in, get a couple shots, and let. We're gonna try to sneak in some shots here, do a couple of things, maybe film some video. There she is. All right, let's let me try to get everything all set up so when we're ready to go, we're ready to go here. What, you wanted to go inside, right? You know I don't have no, I'm not no studio cat. I'm so shy. That is not true. I like that. Yeah, but you be doing all the posing, right?
Tiana will.
Yeah. You do all the posing. Except for now. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Play with the grass. Feel the grass. Look, I like that. Look at it. Get it in. Yeah. You're not. I don't know that because you disappeared on me for 2 years. So I don't know.
Yeah, and that's weird.
That is weird. You're right. But whatever the case may be, we are now back. We're done with the video now. I hope you really enjoyed that work that we just got finished doing. This is not going to be an official video from us. I mean, not from us, but from me, because once again, I was in this little space, small space over there, and you know, we just kind of did it, and then I had to use my my S3 for my video portrait work. So y'all gonna see that. I'll pop that up somewhere in between here right now so y'all can check that video portrait work, or y'all wait until the official video come out. Now, Diana, how did you really feel?
Oh, great. I always feel great. Just kidding.
She always feels great. The shoot didn't almost happen, guys, right?
Yeah, I almost didn't, but I pushed through.
She did push through. She came out here.